In this class, we are going to learn 8085 microprocessor programming concept and how to write assembly language and execute this. Now, we are going to perform subtraction of two numbers using 8085 simulator. So, let's see the example and try to understand. So, first and all, write the mnemonic MVI, that means move immediate register. A, that means accumulator, store the value first input. Suppose you enter 5 hexadecimal code, and next your input MVI B comma, suppose you enter 04. Okay, so hexacode, and now subtract this number. Subtracts, that means B register, that means A equals to A minus B. So now store the value. Which location? Suppose you enter 9001. So STA 9001, this address. Okay, this address here, this address, and this is the data values. So now stop this execution. HLT, halt. That means stop the execution. So now assemble and run this program. So assemble, run. Okay, so what is the output of this value? We know this value output is 1. How? We know 05 binary code 0101. Okay, and 04, that means 0100. Okay, so now what happened? B, that means here 1010, that means 1, then 000, then 110, then 0. So output 1. So output 1 hex code. So this value is stored in accumulator register. Okay, so accumulator register, that means this register, and this is the value of accumulator. So now run this program again. So delete this code. Okay, and then execute. So assemble, then slow run. Okay, so what is the output? Stored 01 in this, and where this value we are stored 9005. So where the 9005, this is the 9005 address, and this is the 01 is the output. So thanks for watching.